Remember, face forward. Good job. Keep pedaling. Can you go fast? Oh my goodness, look at you.
No, I'm really fast.
Yep. Careful, here comes the car. Remember, let's go over here.
That goes faster.
Yep. Okay, go ahead and pedal, pedal, pedal.
Go on your phone again.
Huh?
Go on your phone again.
I am on my phone. I'm recording you to send Oma.
I'm riding on my bike.
Okay, yada yada yada. I'm on my phone, not paying attention, so Alice goes super fast. Right?
Mm-hmm.
As soon as I'm not looking, you go fast. There you go, up that hill. Ooh. Whoa, steer. There we go. Remember to steer. Steer on the sidewalk.